Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Selin's English. I am Tosha speaking. I in front of you. Now I am one person about Mamu's home district. Mamu's home district name is Kishorganj. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. The district has 8 municipalities, 30 upazilas and 108 unions and 108 unions and 1745 villages. The name of Kishorganj and old landlords known as Brojakishore Pramanik and Nanda Kishore Pramanik. It is a small town, but there are many important places. As Shalakia Eid Grounds, Government Gurudal College and the Shah Muhammad Mosque, the Pagla Mosque, the Shiva Temple of Chandravati and the Sayyid Nurul Islam first acting president of Bangladesh. That's all my information. Stay with me in next video.